Welcome to Navigate Student, a powerful tool to help you succeed at NIU. Navigate Student helps you connect with your advisor and schedule appointments. View time-sensitive to-do items such as course registration reminders, information about holds on your account, meetings with your advisor, and general NIU offices and resources to help you succeed as a Husky. You can download the app to use on your cell phone by searching for Navigate Student in the App Store or Google Play, finding Navigate Student by EAB Global. Download the free app. You can also access it online anytime through a browser. Navigate Student works best in Google Chrome, where you can visit go.niu.edu/navigate to log into your student account. You'll log in on the app or the web using your NIU student ID and password. These are the same credentials you use for your NIU email, Blackboard, and MyNIU. After you log in, your Navigate home screen will appear. At the top of the home screen, you'll see a list of your to-dos. These are important, time-sensitive tasks and actions to help you stay on track at NIU. Looking at the left-hand side of your screen, you will see a list of features. The first feature is the to-do list. To-do items appear on your home screen and in the to-do list. Click on the View Details to see a description of each to-do, which NIU offices relate to those items, and links to NIU resources you need to plan and begin to complete those items. You can mark each to-do as complete by clicking the box next to each to-do. You can also set reminders and create your own tasks. The Study Buddies feature will help you connect with students enrolled in your current courses so you can reach out to share class resources and make plans to study together. When you join a group, the other students in your class section will be able to see your email address and reach out to you via email. Next up is resources. Navigate Student helps you locate NIU offices and resources that provide advising, student support, cultural centers, and financial assistance. In addition to the NIU website, this list helps you get connected with the support you need to succeed at NIU. The University Holds feature is for any holds you might have on your account. Navigate Student shows you if you have holds and why NIU placed a hold on your account. Once a hold is cleared from your NIU account, the update in Navigate will appear the next business day. The survey feature will be used throughout the semester by NIU to gather information so we can better understand your experiences and needs as a student. We'll ask about what's going well and if you are experiencing any barriers to success. The Appointments feature shows your future and past appointments and helps you schedule appointments with your advisor. Click on who you'd like to meet with and answer specific questions to help ensure your appointment runs smoothly. You'll be able to choose if you want to do the appointment by phone or in person, and a day and time to meet. You can also opt in to receive reminders when it's time for your appointment. Settings allows you to manage your notifications. Ensure your notification settings are on so you can find out about important tasks, if any holds are posted, and updates from your advisor. Navigate Student also provides access to your course schedule, along with important details about courses, professors, room locations, and meeting times. You can also sync your class schedule and other appointments to your calendar on your phone. Unsure about your major or if you're taking the right classes, use the My Major feature to learn about areas of study and what classes to take. Navigate Student is just one of the many resources available to Huskies to help you succeed. Visit go.niu.edu/navigate for additional questions about Navigate Student or for assistance.